In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide slides in PowerPoint. This is a great skill to have in your toolkit, whether you're preparing for a presentation and want to skip over certain slides or simply need to tidy up your slide deck a bit. It's an easy process and I'll walk you through each step so you'll be a pro at this by the end of our session. So, let's dive in. To start, go ahead and open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure that you have your presentation file ready so you can follow along. While PowerPoint is loading, allow yourself to consider the layout of your presentation. Think about which slides you might want to hide from view for a cleaner, more focused presentation. Hiding slides can help you engage your audience better by ensuring they focus only on the most relevant information. Now, with PowerPoint open, proceed to open your presentation. You can either do this by navigating through the File menu or directly from your recent documents if it's a presentation you've been working on recently. Once the presentation is up on your screen, navigate through to find the specific slide you'd like to hide. Remember, choosing the right slide to hide or lock away allows you to tailor your presentation to suit different audiences or contexts. When you're ready to hide the slide, right-click directly on it in the slide navigation pane on the left-hand side of your screen. This pane shows all your slides in order and is where you can easily manage them. After right-clicking on your chosen slide, a context menu will appear. Here you'll see a list of options related to that particular slide. Look for the option that says Hide Slide. Clicking this will effectively hide your slide, meaning that it will not appear in slideshow view during your presentation. You'll notice that a small, slightly faded icon of the slide will remain, indicating its hidden status. Don't worry about losing any content or layout because the slide is simply hidden from view in presentation mode, not deleted. That means you can easily bring it back when needed. When it's time to unhide the slide, perhaps for a different presentation or a revised version of your current one, the process is just as simple. Return to the same slide, right click on it again and select Unhide Slide from the menu. This will make the slide visible during your slideshow view. You should now be able to see it within the flow of your presentation as normal. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to hide and unhide slides within PowerPoint. This method provides a flexible way to adjust your presentations without needing to delete or duplicate content. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.